In this video, we review Stallion Infrastructure Services Events menu. Go to the Events menu to see all recognized events. This menu can be fixed on the screen for easier navigation. This number indicates how many events were recorded. Start your search by setting start and end times. Select cameras of interest from the list. Using our server-side analytics, you can look for specific objects like an animal, person, or car. Use color filters to further narrow down the results. The confidence slider sets the recognition accuracy limit for machine learning algorithms. To review an event, either click on it or drag and drop it into a layout cell. Now you can sync another camera or all cameras to the selected camera to review events from multiple angles. Use Area Search tool to locate objects or persons in a specific area of the image. The same filters can be used in this search. We review the Area Search tool in depth in another tutorial video to search for a specific person. Select the Faces tab at the bottom of the events list. Hover your mouse over the face to enlarge it. Set a confidence level to improve results. Click on the event to review it. Watch our other tutorials or contact Stallion for additional information on our video surveillance monitoring portal and video surveillance hardware.